Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen from instant noodles. First, gather your instant ramen packet, a pot, and about 2 cups of water. You might also want to prepare some fresh toppings like a soft-boiled egg, sliced green onions, or a dash of sesame oil. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious meal. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the instant noodles to the pot. Don't break them up yet. Let them soften naturally in the hot water. Cook the noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes, or according to the package instructions, until they are tender but still have a slight chew. Stir them gently to separate the strands as they cook. Now it's time to add the flavor. Turn off the heat and stir in the seasoning packet that came with your noodles. Mix it well until the powder is fully dissolved and the broth is fragrant. This is also the perfect moment to add any fresh toppings you prepared, like a perfectly cooked egg or some vibrant green onions, letting them warm through. Your delicious homemade instant ramen is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot ramen into your favorite serving bowl. You can add a final garnish of fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick. It's a quick, satisfying meal that's perfect anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.